Good morning, viewers. It's Thursday morning, January 23, 2025, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Welcome to ST Money's Business News, where we provide you the latest and updated 5-minute summarized US market wrap. But before we roll, please do subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you. Now, let's roll. A rally in big tech fueled by optimism over artificial intelligence and a batch of earnings from corporate heavyweights sent stocks to the brink of their all-time highs. Equities extended this year's advance with the S&P 500 briefly topping 6,100. The excitement around artificial intelligence turbocharged the stock rally, sending the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite up 1.3%. The S&P 500 ended up 37 points, 0.61% to 6,086, just a few points below its last record closing high of 6,090, reached on December 6, 2024. The Nasdaq Composite gained 252 points, or 1.28% to 20,009, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 130 points, or 0.30% to 44,156. Meanwhile, the Russell 2000 fell 0.6%. The technology sector advanced 2.5% and was the biggest gainer among the S&P 500's 11 major industry indexes, with its biggest boost from AI heavyweights Nvidia and Microsoft. AI-linked stocks surged after the leaders of SoftBank, Oracle, and OpenAI, standing alongside President Trump, pledged $500 billion in artificial intelligence investment in the US. Nvidia, Microsoft, and ARM will be involved in creating infrastructure for the joint venture, which is called Stargate. Oracle stock jumped 6.8%. Nvidia shares rose 4.4%, while Microsoft and ARM rose 4.1% and 16%, respectively. Server maker Dell added 3.6%. Investors also passed a smattering of earnings releases during a season that is shaping up to be particularly volatile. Netflix shares jumped 9.7% after the streaming company reported blockbuster earnings. It reported a record number of subscribers for the holiday quarter, enabling it to increase prices for most service plans. In other individual stocks, shares of Procter & Gamble rose 1.9% after beating second quarter estimates, driven by growing demand for its household items in the United States. But Johnson & Johnson's annual sales outlook disappointed. J&J shares fell 1.9%, although the drug maker reported fourth quarter results above estimates. After rising on Tuesday, Ford sank 3.8% as Barclays downgraded the stock. Textron shares fell 3.4% after it forecast 2025 profit below estimates. Halliburton slipped 3.6% after warning of softer North America activity this year and posting downbeat quarterly revenue. In bonds, the yield on the 10-year treasuries advanced 2 basis points to 4.60%. Currencies, the dollar spot index was little changed. In cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin fell 2.3% to $104,337. In commodities, West Texas Intermediate crude fell 0.5% to $75.43 a barrel. Spot gold rose 0.4% to $2,756 an ounce. Key events this week: U.S. jobless claims today, Thursday. U.S. University of Michigan consumer sentiment, estimate home sales, S&P Global Manufacturing and Services PMI on Friday tomorrow. That's it for today, folks. I'll see you again tomorrow morning. Happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.